We're often told that Britain is divided, as if on every issue we split into two camps. But after speaking with more than 10,000 people in Britain, More in Common found a different story. 7 groups with different values and beliefs. The British 7. For 2 groups, politics is important. Progressive activists are cosmopolitan, opinionated, and frustrated with the injustices they see around them. They're outspoken on social media. Backbone conservatives also follow the news closely. They're patriotic and nostalgic, but also optimistic about Britain's future. The other 5 groups focus more on society than on politics. Civic pragmatists care about others at home and abroad and give generously to charities. They'd like less conflict and more compromise. Established liberals are cosmopolitan, trusting and confident. When they look at Britain and the world, they see a lot that is good. Disengaged battlers are just getting by. The rules seem rigged against them, but they don't blame other people, they blame the system. Disengaged traditionalists think too many people are breaking the rules and taking advantage of others. A hard day's work never did anyone any harm, they say. Loyal nationals are patriotic about Britain, but worry that our way of life is threatened. They also feel our society has become more unfair. If you ask all these people what they believe, they don't always agree in the way you'd think. On one issue, they cluster together one way. On another issue, there's a different lineup, like a kaleidoscope. And there's a surprising amount on which almost everyone agrees. The Britain's Choice Project helps us understand our differences, avoid divisions, and build upon our common ground. Join us, sign up to stay in touch, and take the quiz to see where among the British 7 you belong.